I mean, you know, which is a prettier knife? Yep, the Kershaw. Which one is more comfortable to wear? Yeah, the ZT. So, would I buy this again? No, because I already have one. All right, there, friends and family in YouTube land. This is an opening, can't say boxing yet, but an unboxing of a cool new knife that I purchased. This is my current favorite knife. It is a ZT 0560 titanium. And this is the new kid on the block. All right, I don't want to screw up the box. So I suppose it is an unboxing. All right. So, what is it? Uh-oh, you can see right there, it says Kershaw. That's right. ZT? Kershaw. Coincidence? I think not. But this is the beauty. It is a copper version of the Natrix XL. So it's not the small, it's not the medium, it's the large. So let's see. All right, it looks like there's a little flaw right there. Oh well, can't be perfect. So, oh, there we go. My first mistake. All right, so there we go. And the unveiling. All right, ooh, look at this. All right, let's see what else is in the box. There we go. And that's that. There you go. Nice. Heavy duty instructions. Alright, so you can see it. Pretty cool. Alright. Now this is not an assisted knife. This is a flipper. Flipper, faster than lightning. And of course, all of our young folks do not know what I am referring to. That's okay. So, let's compare one flipper to the next. All right, now this is interesting. Never had one in a Ziploc bag before, but of course this is Kershaw, it's not ZT. But there you go. Pretty neat. Static. So they're physically almost the same size. This is a little bit longer. And they both have a body lock. And they both have a low pocket clip. Excuse me. I am just surviving a flu, but not the corona flu. So that's pretty neat. You can get a sense of the two. Now, since this is titanium, this weighs next to nothing. This feels like twice the size, or twice the weight. But what makes this special is this is actual real copper. And it will get a patina on it, like a copper quarter or whatever. So, hey, that's pretty nice. Very smooth. I am impressed. And of course, I am comparing it to this one. Now this one, I always use this little thumb piece because, and the only negative that I have with the 0560 is that it has the, what do they call it? I don't know. Jimping, I think they call it. It is very rough and very easily irritating to the finger. So when I open it, I have to be careful. I have to pull my finger back. So you can see that. This one, wow. Yeah, I don't have to worry about that. So it's actually very nice. I'm very impressed. And it doesn't seem to be as smooth as the ZT, but it is really smooth. And I do like the looks of this lock being contrasted with the copper. So I like the fact that it has the deep carry clip, and that's also what I like about the Kershaw. Now you can tell that the clips are a lot longer on the ZT. Let me get back into the light. But the great thing about this is that this will patina over time and make it even more customized than what it currently is. So, very nice. Now it is a little gritty compared to the ZT, and it's not because there's actual grit in there, but it's just not as buttery smooth. And I always hear the knife guys go and say, oh man, this is buttery smooth. Now I know what they're talking about. You know, this knife here is about 1/3 the price of this knife. But, I mean, the opening is still smooth using the flipper. It does have the, I don't know, nibbling or whatever this is called. But it's just not as aggressive as ZT. They both are almost identical in size. I do like the reverse tanto of this. The drop point on this is very nice too, but I've always kind of liked the drop point on this style of knife. But it's just as easy. Yep. I mean, here, let me do this. I'm risking my digits to do a test. So these are both going to be at the same angle. And I'm going to, I can't do this with two hands. All right. So here we go. I'm going to put this at the same angle as a Kershaw. All right, see how nice and smooth that is? Yeah. So that shows you the difference between a $300 knife and a $100 knife. Yep. There you go. There you go. There you go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. But I do like that. I do not have to worry about my fingers getting all chewed up like I do with the ZT. So, am I happy? Oh, hell yeah. This is a pretty knife, very pretty. And this is going to be more of a cabinet queen because I just love the design. I love the contrast of the copper. The weight is what it is. I mean, it's copper. Come on, guys. But how does it compare to a $300 knife? Of course, not as well. But it is definitely, if you can stand the weight, this is a sweet knife, and it will be customized by your own sweaty palms. I mean, you know, which is a prettier knife? Yep, the Kershaw. Which one is more comfortable to wear? Yeah, the ZT. So, would I buy this again? No, because I already have one. So, 2 thumbs up for the Kershaw Copper Natrix XL. But anyway, guys, that's my review of the Copper Natrix, and I don't know why they say Natrix. I guess Matrix has been copyrighted. But anyway, Copper Natrix XL. That's why I'm pausing when I'm saying this, because I'm trying to stop myself from saying Matrix. And it is the 7008CU. And this also says 02 on it. So, dun, 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 dun. All right, guys. Have fun collecting knives like I'm having fun. There you go. All right. Let's do a thumbnail. That looks pretty. And we'll do this. Right. Alright, and yeah. Do 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 do. Hi. Uh-oh. My little friend there stopped following me. All right, guys. This concludes the Kershaw Natrix. Copper Natrix, sorry. Extra large for an extra large man.